Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for all things innovative and practical. Today, we're diving into the world of tiny living with a game-changer that's redefining hot water solutions for compact spaces. I'm talking about none other than the Rinnai RL75IP tankless hot water heater. If you're living the tiny house dream, you know that every inch counts. And that's where the Rinnai RL75IP shines bright. It's not just a water heater, it's a compact powerhouse that's designed to deliver endless hot water without taking up valuable real estate. So, what sets this tankless wonder apart? Let's break it down. First off, it's all about efficiency. With Rinnai's Circ Logic technology, you get hot water precisely when you need it, matching your lifestyle patterns seamlessly. Say goodbye to wasted energy and hello to on-demand comfort. Now, let's talk installation. Unlike bulky traditional heaters, the RL75IP is a breeze to set up. Picture this. It's as compact as a small suitcase, fitting snugly into any nook or cranny. Plus, with professional installation recommended, you'll have peace of mind knowing it's done right the first time. And here's the kicker: endless hot water. Yep, you heard that right. With a maximum flow rate of 7.5 gallons per minute, you can kiss cold showers goodbye. Whether it's laundry, dishes, or a relaxing bath, the RL75IP has you covered, providing consistent hot water whenever you need it. And there you have it, folks. The Rinnai RL75IP tankless hot water heater, your ultimate companion for tiny house living. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more innovative product reviews. Until next time, stay cozy and stay tuned.